Hey girlies, it's protective hairstyle season and we will be doing this Brazilian wool knotless boss braid locks. I know it's long, yeah. So I'll be using 5 rows of Brazilian wool, and I started off by prepping the hair, moving it from one hand to the other. Then I went in for my comb and then I combed out the Brazilian wool. So I'll be curling this Brazilian wool. I curled it because I wanted it to give that locks look, that rough texture. I could have braided it, or you can braid it without curling it, but it won't give you the same results. So to have that rough locks texture, it will be more advisable to curl it. So that was a picture I had in mind, and after I was done, the results, oh my god, was amazing. Okay, so after I was done wrapping the Brazilian wool around the stick, I poured hot water on it and then let it dry for some time. After that, I took it out and then I went straight to braiding. Okay, but you see, I had a picture in mind, so I decided to do the left side in a cornrow. I will be showing you how I parted each section with the cornrows. I went in for the arc shape, so from the downward side I drawed it in an arc shape. Then as I move forward, I keep doing it in an arc shape because I wanted the left side to look very lace more than the right side, to give it that illusion of, let's say, a side part.
Just pause your freaking mind and hear that calling, taking over you. Wanna feel it, your vibration, hear your screaming liberation. But keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. You know you gotta keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. Don't you let that know, we can let it go.
For the braiding, I sectioned my hair in a box shape a bit more, and then I went in for my olive oil gel and then molded into my hair. After that, I divided the hair that I sectioned into 3, and here's where I'll be doing the knotless braid underneath before I'll start going in with the Brazilian wool for the braiding. So with the Brazilian wool, I went in section, sorry. So I started with a very little quantity of hair, then I kept increasing the quantity of hair as I keep braiding. So with the last hair that, or let's say Brazilian wool, I'll be adding, I will make sure that the quantity is a bit larger. So if you want a very large braid, then you have to increase the size of the Brazilian wool that you'll be using.
Just pause your freaking mind and hear that calling, taking over you. Wanna feel it, your vibration, hear your screaming liberation. But keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. You know you gotta keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. Don't you let that know, we can let it go. Feelings go fast, no, come and let it show. But keep it
part of our braid, I'll be doing the bantu knot and the end of the braid. So after I braided to the length that I wanted, then I started doing a normal twist, very loose twist for the ends of the eight. After I was done with the twisting, I started by doing the bantu knot. So yeah, I was trying to figure out if the bantu goes or I should just use bead, but then I realized that the bantu looks nice. It gives it more of a luxe look that I was looking for.
Feel so close, no wasting time. Feel, just pause your freaking mind and hear that calling.
I had 6 session cornrows, so I added 2 together, then braid 8. So I will be doing it in 2 sessions. The first one was 2, the next one is 2, and that was how I had a complete look. And the end result, oh my goodness, it turned out really great. Girl, if you are looking for a protective hairstyle that can last you for a long time, this is a hairstyle that you need to give it a try.